All right, here it is. This is a Moeller upstroke. Here we go. So we're going to start with our sticks just about an inch above the pad. Okay? And what we're going to do is just flex our wrist and the wrist and arm move up together. That's what it looks like in slow motion. And then we're going to come for a downstroke. So we can just flex, up, down, flex, flex, and then back extend. And then you do the other hand. So remember, we start about an inch above the pad, and when we flex, notice how the butt end of the stick comes up, right? And maybe our arm might come a little bit away from our torso, right? So flex, and then when we go back to extend it, to hit it into the pad, it's kind of like throwing a ball or throwing a basketball down into the ground, right? Up, down. So that's the upstroke. Butt end of the stick comes up, and then we just throw the stick right down for a downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke. And then, if you get that, next thing to try is just to do it really, really fast in continuous mode. I'll show you how it looks here. Down, up, down, up, down.